Welcome back to the bowling ball tournament where we have the Cuda Pearl versus the Crypto Boom. And in today's video, we'll be matching them up 1v1. It's me, Packy, with the house, and this is the house extras. Don't be afraid to click that subscribe button and follow along for the finish of this tournament and more behind the scenes videos of what we do at the house bowling. And comment down below which bowling ball you think is gonna win this matchup. I think the Cuda Pearl, but I'm currently 0 for 2 on guesses, so it's probably gonna be the Crypto Boom.
Cuda Pearl.
No warm up, because I just finished filming the track stealth video. And here we go. Let's bang this thing out. This thing is a messenger machine. I just need them to hit. I can't believe that didn't strike. I'm assuming that this Crypto Boom rolls a little bit early for this. Just a little bit. But I'm gonna stand in the same spot as the Cuda and it should just be smoother. It strikes uglier, but the last time I thought a ball struck uglier, it won. I'm gonna go 2 right with the Cuda. After that, 8 pin. Oh, this rack is terrible. The 3 pin is touching the head pin. I'm not sure if the rack helped or hurt, but trip 6, I'll take it. I don't usually get the trip 6 hit, so I'll take it anytime I get it. I think from that same spot, I just need to rotate it a little bit. Make sure it gets around the corner without dying. I said I needed to make sure it got around the corner without dying. That's what we call dying. And when a ball dies on the lane, it means it's not storing the same amount of energy to drive through the pins. That one, super forward through the pins. You saw the 5 fall really late. Classic case of you needing either a weaker bowling ball or to move deeper in. So for right now, my weaker bowling ball is the Cuda Pearl. And obviously we're going 1v1, so I just gotta move a little deeper. Currently standing on 25 with the Cuda, and I think I also probably need to do that with the Crypto Boom. I'll loft it a little bit here too. And lofting it just gets it another little bit further down lane. So I'm gonna do the exact same thing with the Crypto Boom and hopefully show you guys a little bit of the difference of what we got going on. Obviously, you know what I think. I think this Crypto Boom rolls a little earlier, a little heavier, and goes a little more forward off the pattern. Oh, thought I was gonna get another lucky one. I thought doing those things would help it get further down lane, and it did. But unlike the Cuda where it has that snap down lane, because this one's wanting to roll forward, it doesn't quite have the same recovery when it gets down lane. There we go, 25 out to like 8 at the break point. I need the messengers. I need them. I've mentioned before how like certain balls for me are messenger balls. I can tell right now from the last 2 videos, the Cuda is a messenger ball. I just need the messengers to hit. It's cost me a lockout last game, and this game it's already cost me 1 pin. About to be 11 after I strike on the next shot. Crypto Boom, I'm going back 2 to the left. I'm just gonna rotate it a little more. Golly! So it did the same thing, where I wanted to get it further down lane. I got it further down lane, but it didn't have the same recovery. So if I'm gonna rotate it, I gotta move a little bit further to the left. Keeping it here though. You like where we're at with this one? Oh, that's so bad. I always say you want your bad ones to have an opportunity to strike, and it did. Just losing a little bit of ball reaction here. Or am I losing a bit of shot quality? Probably the second one. Here we go with the Crypto Boom. I'm gonna keep that rotation. I'm gonna go 2 back to the left and hopefully strike. It's just giving me very smooth Pearl ball vibes. And as Madison would say, that ball's not really giving what it needs to give. It needs to give more down lane reaction, and it's not giving that. Time to get back on the strike train here. I'm not gonna loft anymore. I'm just gonna lay it down Throw it nice. Bang! At exactly the halfway point in this game, 6.5 frames in. Cuda Pearl's looking good, a lot stronger down lane. I gotta keep striking with the Cuda because I know the Crypto Boom's probably gonna flat 7, give me a weird 10 pin like that Cuda did, something like that, because my ball reaction right now, we're about 5-6 games in on already a burnt up house shot, so this Crypto Boom is definitely a struggle to deal with where the Cuda's making the right shape. However, I do love the slapper off the sidewall, that slapper 6 pin. Move my feet one left, trying to square up the angle. So I went light mix 6 pin off the sidewall, and then I 6 pin when I move left. I just gotta live with the light mix with that Crypto Boom. Again, the only move I've really made with this Cuda, I went 2 left almost right away, and now I've just stopped lofting it, because I don't think I need it to go that far down lane. Oh, almost didn't come back. Good news for me though. It did. It did come back. Gotta go back, 1 right here with the Crypto Boom. Much, much better shape there. Finally making the right shape on the lane, and I still got 240 left. As for this Cuda Pearl, I still got 250 left. Maybe we're gonna try throwing it a little slower here even. Push, 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 push. I was yelling push because that was about an arrow left down lane, trying to get it to like 8-9. Got it to like 4-5. When it's good, it's good. Chop out the 7. Chop it out. And depending on how good Matt is with the edit, he'll be able to show you what I mean when I say rolling forward through the pins. That one, the ball is finishing a little further left, where the Cuda on the last shot, the ball finishes further right through the deck, which means this one's driving through the deck and that one's already rolled out. And this is we say down below in the comments, thank you, Matt, you're the best, because he is. He's the master with the edit. And that one was perfect. Ah! I've talked about this in the past, sometimes when you're throwing a shot and it's absolutely money off your hand, you get this little tingly feeling inside. That was the one, because everything was perfectly in time and exactly where I wanted it to be on the lane, and then I just eat. Yee! We got 258 left with the Cuda, 248 left. This shot is crucial. Standing 4 left if I am with the Cuda, just like I have been for the whole back half of this video. Hiya! This Cuda can double to win, just like it could last game. This time, it's locking it out. Why? Because I'm gonna throw better shots, because I want this one to win. Snap the 7. The shot's gonna be just a tad slower to try and get it to read a little earlier on the lane. If it finishes this one, cutting this video right now, because this Cuda's gonna win. Hopefully, please, please, please win. As a famous announcer once said, strike to claim it. Hitting 8 down lane. Or 4. And they all strike. This Cuda actually looks pretty good. I rolled that one a little bit. I'm just gonna go 2 right, throw a little slower, rotate it, and show you guys that this thing has an unlimited amount of moves to the right. It will always, and I mean always, recover down lane. I'll move 4 to the right just to prove my point. 4 to the right, a little slower, a little more rotation. So of the 2 balls, the Crypto's definitely gonna be a ball that I would play straighter with when there's a little more oil. I'm probably gonna even hit mine with a little bit of surface. As for that Cuda, I love it just where it is. It's probably gonna be my house shot ball. It's a little weaker. I don't have to deal with as much transition and fighting that. Even when I throw shots that are okay, it still strikes. And as for this edition of the bowling ball tournament and the Pearl section of bowling balls, we have completed it. we're gonna give away a Cuda Pearl. Click that link down below in the description for your ability to enter and win that bowling ball giveaway. So the Cuda Pearl, we will be giving away one of those. As for the solid bowling balls, you'll have to wait and stay tuned to the solid bowling ball tournament. Take your pick, comment down below which solid balls you want to see me throw in that side of the bracket. And as for right now, stay tuned, click that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace!